Okay guys, watch me turn this chair into this. Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be taking these two chairs right here and turning them into something fun and more glamorous. Keep on watching. So I'm going to first start off by taking apart the chairs, the arms. All I did pretty much was screw out all of the screws that were attached to the chairs. So right here I'm unscrewing the bottom base of it and then just taking everything apart. Once that's done being completed, then I move on to the fabric. I'm actually cutting the fabric off this chair because we're going to be using some new fabric. And I'm also going to be flipping this around and taking out all the staples that you see here around the edges, just so that I can have like a better clean base. But this part right here, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, it's very tedious. So if you think you can get away with not having to remove those or just removing a few of them, that's totally fine as well. Next, I'm going to be sanding down the base of this chair so I can paint. It was a lot, to be honest. I think the next time I do this or do a project like this, I'm going to be using the liquid sandpaper. I've read some reviews and heard really good things about it, and it's very easier to take off the high gloss. So right here, I'm just using my sander and then a hand sander too as well, just so that I can strip some of that paint and gloss off, so that when I do go in and paint, it sticks to it more better. Okay guys, so we moved into the living area. I took off the old fabric, and so this is like the cushion for the back part. I want to see what kind of fabric we should be using. I'm thinking these crush colors. This is a crush pink. Like how pretty that would be. Or this crush teal color, like this bluish color. So it's same material. Let me hold it up. Like, or maybe like a nice maroon color. Even the maroon one is pretty nice. I mean, I have like a fun outdoorsy one, like a lemon. Even if this lemon one would be pretty on there. I think it's really thin, so I might have to do 2 layers of this lemon one. Ones would be a nice option. Like I have this pretty polka dot one. I have a nice butterfly one too as well. So I guess it honestly depends on your preference. If you're looking for something fun and outrageous or fun and bold, I would say go with maybe like this lemon one or like this butterfly one. This actually butterfly one's pretty muted, so maybe not this one, but something more like crazy. Like I even have lace. If I do the lace, I would have to get a base color to put over the cushion, and then maybe the lace on top. But how pretty that would be. Like even that would be beautiful. But so like I said, it all depends on preference. I think I'm gonna do one of each. So now I'm just taking the fabric and covering up the cushion part of it as well. I'm gonna be going around the base of it where you see the wood part and just stapling it all across. A pro tip I would give right here is when you're putting on the fabric, after you staple all three sides, just pull the fabric really taut and then look on the front of it just to make sure there's no bumps or it's pulled all the way straight through so that it's lays flat on the front part of it. And I'm gonna show you what I mean right here. Any excess fabric I just actually cut right off, and for some odd reason the staples on here weren't going all the way through, so I took a hammer and just hammered down all the staples that were on there. And then my lighting for some odd reason is getting darker in this next clip, so please bear with me. In the next one it gets light again. So here I'm just wiping down all of the sand dust from the base and then just going right in with the white paint. The paint that I used is a prime and paint, so it was all like a one and done type deal. I want to say I used about 3 to 4 coats on this. Some of the brown was still peeking through, so I think I went over one last time on the 4th coat. Other than that, it was pretty good. Again, I do want to use the liquid sander just so that it can take away that high gloss and I'm not spending hours painting or hours sanding it down. So here I'm just showing you guys how to reassemble the chair. The 2 wood pieces go on the bottom part with 4 screws, and then the 2 side bases, I just line them up where the holes are existing at in those 2 wood pieces. And then I put on the back part. The chairs I got from Goodwill for about $9.50, and the fabric I got from Joann's. Go ahead and give this video a big old like, and subscribe down below. If you guys want to see videos like this in the future, I'm going to be posting Tool Time Thursdays every Thursday, so please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on a video.